at the word play on screen. If we take a tiny extra piece and snap it onto the end, we get playful. Just one little piece changed the entire word. Soon, I'll show you a piece that can make a word mean the exact opposite. That tiny letter group is called a suffix, added specifically to the end of a word to change its meaning. You can think of suffixes like word accessories. Just like snapping a plastic cape onto a toy figure gives it a brand new job, snapping a suffix onto a word gives it a brand new identity. Once you know how these little snap-on endings work, you gain a massive shortcut. You can double or even triple the number of words you know without having to memorize completely new base words. Let's test this with the word shown here, care. If we take the suffix spelled FUL and snap it onto the end, we make careful. This specific suffix means full of. So if you attach that ending, the word careful translates to being full of care. Now, remember that opposite piece I mentioned? Let's take off full and snap on less. The suffix less means without. By swapping just a few letters at the end, the exact same word goes from a positive trait, being full of care, to a negative trait, being completely without care. Imagine a room with a kitten. Now add the less suffix, kittenless. Poof, the kitten is gone, leaving just an empty room. These little endings act like magic switches. Flip the letters, and the whole definition flips right along with it. Other suffixes change actions into the people doing them. Snap the letters ER onto the word teach, and you get teacher, a person who teaches. That same ER piece has a second job. When you attach it to a describing word, it means more. Add it to big, and it becomes bigger. Then we have the ly suffix. This one acts like an instruction manual. It takes a description and tells you exactly how to do an action. All right, challenge time. Let's see if you can decode these words based purely on your new suffix skills. Number 1, look at the word helpful glowing on screen. Does the full suffix mean full of or without? Full of. If you are helpful, you are full of help. Number 2, check out the word fearless. Does the less ending mean full of or without? Without. Being fearless means acting completely without fear. Last one. Look at the word slowly. Does that ly suffix tell you who is doing the action or how the action is moving? How? It tells you how something moves. You totally aced that quiz. Since you crushed it, smash subscribe to join our crew before our next word adventure. Let's lock in the rule we learned. A suffix is a tiny group of letters that you add to the end of a word to change its meaning. As we saw in our grid today, full means full of, less means without, gives you a person or means more, ly tells you how, and nest turns the word into a feeling. Here is your mission. Ask a grown-up for a base word, then mentally snap a suffix onto it and teach them its brand new meaning. Now you know how suffixes snap onto the end of words to change them. But what happens when you add letters to the beginning of a word instead? Like turning happy into unhappy? Tap right here to find out about prefixes.